guys, I have another Tuesday project for you. This was sent to my Silhouette VIP folks for free, and if you want my files for free, all you have to do is go click on my profile link and choose VIP, or go to KarinaGardner.com and click on exclusive VIP, and you will get free files literally every week is when I send them. And this week, because it is April, I decided it would be fun to send you guys a rain boot. So the pieces you need are the card piece, then you have a background piece, and then you have like 3 boot pieces. You have this teeny tiny little white piece. It's so tiny, but it's basically the buckle. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is we are gonna glue together this rain boot piece, and you can do red. I think that's what originally I had it as. Today I decided to do it in pink. I love pink. I never knew that I would be such a pink fan, but I love pink. I use it on a lot of my fabric collections, and I use it in a lot of my Silhouette files for my Silhouette shop. So you can find all of my files in my Silhouette shops and my Minilu shop. You can find a few files on my website as well, and sometimes I have awesome discounts for those. Okay, so I just glued that little cutie boot together, and I'm just using stick glue for that, okay? And then there's this tiny little buckle, and I would really recommend just putting a tiny bit of stick glue on that. And if you wanted, you could also use an X-Acto knife if you wanted, but there's actually a spot for it. You can see where it is right there. Can you guys see that? So that is the spot. You can lay it right in there, and it should stick down and be darling. Okay, I'm using Pop Dots for this project. I am kind of obsessed with these Pop Dots you can buy at your local craft store that are already up. You can buy the ones where you have to push them out, and then you can also use the background. And I like those, but I love these. I don't know why. Just because they're easy. That's why. Okay, so I'm going to start with pop darting the back of this boot. And I'm just going to use a couple of the bigger ones. I'm not going to overly pop dot this. And by the way, we're doing a lot of cards right now. I've been sending you guys cards because if you're indoors and you want to send a nice note to somebody and you're stuck, I thought this would be a nice thing for you guys to have, just to be able to reach out to somebody you know who's probably having a hard time, or to medical professionals who have been doing so much for us. So, and I love how 3D, the Pop Darts, really help make a card. Okay, vertical card. There we go. Pretty great. And you can pop dot this down, or you can glue it down. Today I'm going to just glue mine down, which I probably should have done first, you guys. But I wasn't sure what decision I was going to make on that one. If I pop dotted it, it would be darling as well. There it is. I hope you have fun making this. I hope you have someone that you can send this to. I really appreciate you guys and what so many of you are doing out there to kind of keep positive in this time. So anyway, good luck to you guys, and I will see you guys soon.